Hiking Gobblers Knob in Wrightwood. Parking is on Sheep Creek Truck Trail, which is 7 miles from Interstate 15 via Lone Pine Canyon Road. The hike remains on the forest road most of the way to the summit. The difficulty rating for the hike is moderate. The hike begins where Forest Road 3N31 meets Lone Pine Canyon Road. I started walking. Outside of hunting season, this area is usually closed to vehicles. It is a walk of over a mile before switchbacking the slope. Gobbler's Knob appears ahead. Gobbler's Knob. Beginning the climb. Getting the first bit of shade. The dirt road has some steep sections. Approaching Upper Lytle Creek Ridge. On the ridge, the Pacific Crest Trail crosses here. Staying on the road to get to Gobbler's Knob. Approaching Gobbler's Knob. At a second crossing point of the PCT. This time, taking the PCT for a few steps, then going left, uphill, and away from the Pacific Crest Trail. This final uphill climb is the steepest part of the hike. Reaching the summit plateau. Still need to find the high point. Finding a triangular marker or witness post, but the high point is still further ahead. Approaching the summit. On the summit of Gobbler's Knob. The Summit 360. Elevation: 6,955 feet. The summit shot. Looking south toward Mount Baldy. Looking north toward Circle Mountain. Heading back down. Carefully descending the loose slope. back at the PCT junction and getting back on the road. A chance to appreciate the views while going downhill. After a few long switchbacks, it is back to the canyon floor. Back to the vehicle gate near the beginning. Mission accomplished. Lone Pine Canyon Road is just ahead. The hike in review. The hike starts on Forest Road 3 and 13. The road starts out level, but then begins to elevate the slope. The road intersects the PCT at 3 spots along the way. It then leaves the road and the PCT to elevate to the summit. Afterwards, I return the same way for an out and back visit.